Hello and welcome back to my YouTube page, Mr. Mike's Music Method LLC. I am Mr. Mike, and today I have an exciting video for you. If you are in John Thompson book number 2, this one, I call it the Monster Book, we are going to go over song number 2 today, playing tag, and we're going to learn about eighth notes, okay? Let me just grab my note on that because I just saw it. Okay, probably have to draw another one, but that's alright. Now, for some reason, I deleted my videos that I did last week, so I didn't upload anything last week. Sorry about that. I must have thought that I uploaded them, but then when I went to go look at YouTube, they weren't there. Very annoying. Anyway, I get to redo it, and it's still fun. So, we are going to talk about pizza because I pretty much think everybody loves pizza. If you love pizza, raise your hand. Well, I can't see if you're raising your hand. You can put it down. Okay. If you're allergic to pizza, that's okay too. So look, we're gonna make a circle. Are you ready? Watch. Simple. Make a circle. Did you make a circle? Here, I'll show it to you. Right there. Kind of looks eggish, maybe like my head. Anyway, so what we're going to do with the circles is we're going to cut it a couple of times and we're going to make eighth notes. When you order a pizza or you have a cake or a pie or something you're celebrating, usually those things are cut into 8 equal pieces. Okay? And each one of those pieces is 1/8 note. So stick with me here. We cut this in half, right? Cut this in half. We get 2 giant pieces of cake, pizza, pie, whatever, okay? You get 2 giant pieces. Right down the middle, this now equals 2 half notes. See, before it was 1 whole note, now it's 2 half notes. So we're going to cut it again. Maybe you want to feed 4 people, yourself and 3 more people. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 4 pieces. These are called quarter notes. This is 1/4. Think about a clock, okay? So clock says 12. 3 is the first quarter. 6 is the next quarter of the hour, okay? 9 is the third quarter, and 12 is the last quarter of the hour, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter pieces. But let's say you have 8 people in your party and everybody wants 1 slice of whatever it is you have. We're going to cut it 2 more times. First, we're going to cut it diagonal like that, okay? And then we're going to cut it again diagonally as well, like this. Now, it kind of looks like a bicycle wheel. That's a good way to think about this too, or a motorcycle wheel, or a pinwheel, or whatever reference works for you. So now we're going to count all the pieces. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 equal pieces in this pie. So eighth notes work the same way, okay? Here they are. You see the eighth guys with the bracket on the top, kind of connecting the 2 together. Anytime you see, this is called a beam, B-E-A-M, beam, not a bean, a beam, by the way, that connects 2 notes together. When you see 1 beam, it's an eighth note, which is 1/8 of a pizza, right? So when they put the pizza in the oven, it's all 1 piece. It's like a whole note. Whole note gets 4 beats. They cut it in half, 2 beats. Cut it in half again, 4 beats. Cut it 2 more times, 8 beats total. This many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what I like to do is I color the notes, okay? At this point, if you're at home and you're in book 2, you've already gone through book 1. And in book 1, I told you you can use colors, or if they're too overwhelming, you don't have to use them. But I went ahead and color coded this because I was teaching virtual lessons during 2020, okay? The numbers underneath represent each beat. So the first measure is, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a quarter note, so it's going to get 1, 2, and this is going to get 3, 4, okay? I'm going to play it for you, and maybe I'll do a little explaining after that. But in my opinion, the song is pretty easy. especially if you've gone through book 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's nice. It's pretty good. I don't know what else to say. I'm probably gonna play it a second time slower. Okay. This next song after this, I think, is the hard one. No, it's the after song after this one. 2 more, and then it cuts to, there's one that's pretty difficult to play. So this one, I think, again, is really easy. I'm gonna do it again slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. You don't have to play the ending the way I did. I always try to add an exciting ending at the end. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, comments, please leave those in the section below. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Remember, hit the bell button, and look for weekly content on Monster Book 2. Thank you. Bye-bye.